Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay January 18, 2026, Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong January 18, 2026, Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, January 18, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 18, 2026, Sunday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, January 18, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for January 18, 2026, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.